Welcome to Valkenswaard. Welcome to MCB Nederland, the best stocked metal wholesaler in the Netherlands. All the companies in the MCB group operate in Europe as wholesalers as well as service centers for our customers. At MCB, we have everything under one roof. All types and sizes of steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, brass, plastic semi-manufacturers, warehouses full of fasteners, and a whole series of transport and trailer components. In the Steel Service Centre and the Processing Centre, we go one step further. Here, made-to-measure material is decoiled and slitted. Sheets, tubes, sections and bar stock are cut, polished, brushed and foliated, shot blasted and preserved. This is where our slogan comes into its own: service in metal. We constantly scan the world market. We watch prices and production levels. We know where material is still in stock and where shortages may occur. We manage and coordinate a vast stock for our customers. And all this happens here in Valkenswaard. It looks like an office garden where everybody's talking at the same time. In fact, it's the commercial hub of MCB. At MCB, the purchase and sales department share one big room to keep communication lines short. When a customer asks for something, we know immediately whether we have it in stock or whether we can get it somewhere else fast. Purchase and sales communicate constantly with each other and with suppliers and customers by telephone or on the internet. The sellers talk to their customers as they would speak to a friend, and they know the entire range. The purchasers are product specialists who know the purchase markets like the backs of their hands. They decide what we'll get in stock for you, and they know where to find the required materials, anywhere in the world. We like to deliver fast, the right quality materials for the right applications. If you want to work in the connecting material department or the transport and trailer components department, of course you have to be familiar with those sectors. At Transport and Trailer Components, they dream axles, brake systems, kingpins and all kinds of trailer lighting. With the aid of smart digital supply management systems, employees in the fasteners department can find their way among more than 15,000 fasteners, from studs through quick-acting clamps and hexagonal bolts to welding wires and electrodes. And if we really don't have a certain article, we'll have it made for you to your specifications. During the day, we receive incoming goods and prepare the orders for the next day. In the evening and through the night, we load so that we can get out on the road early the next morning. To us, supplying quality materials means managing our own logistics. A fleet of 70 modern DAF trucks deliver to over 1,000 locations all over the Netherlands every day. Each vehicle visits between 10 and 20 locations, so the waybills and delivery schedule for each truck must be well prepared. By 7:30 in the morning, the first delivery has already been unloaded. The day starts early for MCB truck drivers. A challenging workday on the most heavily used roads in Europe.
Goedemiddag, wij gaan de MCB. Hallo Manfred.
We know most of our customers well, and we serve them from our base in Valkenswaard.
Ja, daar heb ik vaker van gehoord. Ik ben in de
For special queries regarding material or processing, specialists travel all over the country. So metal companies anywhere in the Netherlands can benefit from MCB's material knowledge. And they achieve amazing economic results with it. Good advice is based on the assurance that MCB materials always meet the desired quality standards. That's why we check all materials on receipt. Do deliveries contain exactly what we ordered for our customers? We select our suppliers with care. We've worked with most of them for years. Still, we can't help constantly monitoring deliveries. In the testing laboratory, we have the most modern equipment, which gives us absolute certainty, gauges, composition, durability. We demand the ultimate from MCB materials, and sometimes even a little bit more. Look, this is what it's all about. Here we are, in the middle of the warehouses of MCB Nederland. They stretch for kilometers. This is where purchased materials are delivered, checked, registered and stored. This is MCB's trading base. With metals, fasteners, articles for trailer construction and many tons of steel. In all sizes and types, in a range of qualities and specifications. So what do you do with these huge 25-ton coils? Process them, exactly to the size and the order specifications of the customer. The Steel Service Center and the Processing Center are gradually expanding their activities. More and more customers want products which are ready to work with. Delivery reliability and size accuracy then play an important role. Every day, MCB Nederland proves that it is a reliable partner for the metal processing industry. Our customers have very varied needs, and our processing methods are equally diverse. Slitted steel coils and made-to-measure sheets, of course, but also shot-blasted and protected by means of an environment-friendly water-based primer or a wax coating. Tubes, profiles, bar stock and aluminium plates cut to the desired sizes. Stainless steel increasingly provided with a brushed finish and a foil layer. We can provide it all for our customers, either in small or large quantities. There may be many tons of steel here, but delivery is all about supplying exactly the right product in the right quantity, whether it's large or small. DAF Trucks in Eindhoven is one of MCB Nederland's main customers. With its extensive range of stock and good delivery options, MCB was able to respond to the steady growth of DAF. That's why you'll often find our account manager at DAF. He consults buyers and product developers to keep himself up to date and to be able to anticipate changing demands quickly. Like MCB, DAF stands for quality and service. One reason for having our own maintenance garage is that we can adapt vehicles to our own needs. The blue that MCB sports on the road is our most prominent advertisement. That's why the 70 trucks go through the car wash every week. This has been just a glimpse behind the scenes at MCB Nederland. We're part of the MCB group in Europe, and so are able to use our joint purchasing power, which is essential in a dynamic market. We purchase cleverly, using state-of-the-art software to manage the business and logistics. Purchase and sales work together closely. MCB knows what the metal industry wants and where to get it. Ultimately, our task is to ensure that all orders are delivered to our customers safely and on time, allowing your business operations to continue without interruption. This is what keeps us busy at MCB. The material purchasers with their knowledge of the world market, the managers who make the strategic choices, the people in the warehouses and the processing centers, the administrative department and the sellers with their customer knowledge, and everyone else in numerous capacities, not least the drivers who spend their days on the road. All true MCB people. People with their hearts in the business and in your interests. This is the reason for the success of our wholesale trade over the last 65 years. Innovative and always listening to all of our partners. What do our customers need? And how can we best supply it? MCB Nederland. Service in metal.